Satellite reconnaissance defines modern military aviation strategy by extending awareness beyond the reach of aircraft sensors. Orbiting platforms provide continuous coverage across regions that fighters and bombers cannot patrol without risk. These systems observe terrain forces, airfields, naval movements, and electronic activity in near real time. Commanders rely on this stream of data to shape every phase of air operations from planning to execution. Early reconnaissance aircraft depended on altitude, speed, and pilot skill. Satellites removed the human limit. Optical radar and infrared payloads operate day and night through clouds and darkness. Synthetic aperture radar maps ground movement with precision. Infrared sensors detect heat signatures from engines, missile launches, and logistics hubs. Signals intelligence payloads capture emissions from radars, radios, and data links. Each layer adds depth to the operational picture. Modern air campaigns begin with satellite tasking. Analysts identify targets, assess defenses, and predict enemy response. This information guides route selection, timing, and force composition. Stealth aircraft benefit directly because mission planners know where radar coverage is strongest and where gaps exist. Tanker placement, airborne warning aircraft positioning, and rescue coverage depend on orbital intelligence. During active operations, satellites act as silent overwatch. They confirm target destruction, monitor enemy repositioning, and warn of counter moves. When aircraft strike a runway, satellites verify damage and track repair activity. When mobile missile units disperse, satellites cue drones and fighters to intercept. This loop compresses decision time and denies the enemy concealment. Satellite reconnaissance also shapes deterrence. Persistent observation reduces ambiguity. Adversaries understand that large-scale movements cannot remain hidden. This transparency alters behavior and raises the cost of escalation. Air power backed by orbital surveillance becomes more credible because threats are based on verified information rather than assumption. Integration with aircraft systems defines the current era. Data from space feeds command networks that push information directly to cockpits. Pilots receive updated threat locations and target coordinates while airborne. Autonomous systems process satellite inputs faster than human analysts, enabling rapid retasking of strike packages. The boundary between space and air operations no longer exists. Counter-space measures now influence air strategy. Nations invest in camouflage deception and anti-satellite capabilities to disrupt this advantage. As a result, air forces plan for degraded space environments. Redundancy through multiple satellites, allied networks, and airborne sensors ensures continuity. Control of information remains as decisive as control of airspace. Satellite reconnaissance transforms aviation from reactive action to predictive dominance. It allows forces to see shape and influence the battlespace before aircraft launch. Modern military aviation no longer begins at the runway. It begins beyond the horizon in orbit.